In March 2009, Thomas Kwoyelo, a former commander of the ARA rebels, was captured by the army in the Democratic Republic of Congo after being injured in battle. The following year, he was produced in court to answer charges that included, among others, crimes against humanity, willful killings, taking hostages, and the destruction of property in northern Uganda. This followed the establishment of International Crimes Division Court by the judiciary to implement the 2008 Juba Peace Agreement between the government of Uganda and the LRA rebels. The rebel outfit that was pushed to the jungles of the Central African Republic by the UPDF was under the command of Joseph Kony. Kwoyelo was the first rebel to be tried in the court. However, the case is yet to be concluded.
Speaking for myself, that case started before I became Director of Public Prosecutions almost 10 years ago. I became director and inherited that case. I served almost a lifetime in that office. I left the case still ongoing. I'm about to retire from the Supreme Court and the case is still going on.
However, the principal judge, Dr Flavia Nzeija, explains why it has dragged on.
A number of explanations to that. One of them being that Kwoyelo first contested his trial. So the contest went to the Court of Appeal, went to the Supreme Court, and then the case was referred back for trial. When it was referred back for trial, then it went into pre-trial, and then now the trial.
Dr Nzeija says Kwoyelo's case is expensive, given the meager resources provided by government to try international crimes.
Yes, of course, raised a number of excuses. We don't have that money. I said, okay. Finally, after that, I went back to him and said, this one must be done. So we agreed that we are going to dedicate money every quarter, so that at least there is a trial of the case every quarter.
Kwoyelo is not the only case triable by the International Crimes Division of the High Court. Former ADF commander Jamiru Mukuru, who was arrested in Tanzania, is facing similar charges.
We have actually moved a long step in Jamiru Mukuru's case. Yeah. So, and this coming financial year, we are going to start the hearing process in full, because we went through the pre-trial process.
Recently, the trial against the Rwenzururu King Wesley Mumbere were dropped by the Director of Public Prosecution after Mumbere and over 200 guards applied for amnesty. The principal investigator and the author of the Judicial Bench book, the late Elizabeth Nahamia, was honored for her contribution towards the Judicial Bench book on criminal adjudication of international crimes in Uganda that was launched by Dr Nzeija.
As her family, we humbly request for the support of all legal professionals present to establish a mentorship program for aspiring female legal professionals in her honor.
Jingo Francis, NTV.